the RG Kar rape and murder case. Let's get into the nitty-gritties of what exactly are the updates at this given hour. The Supreme Court is hearing the brutal RG Kar rape and murder case today. The CBI has submitted its status report in the court. Three-judge bench led by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud has assembled to hear the case. The 31-year-old trainee doctor was found dead in the hospital seminar hall. Her autopsy confirmed that she was raped and murdered. Earlier on August 22nd, the Apex Court, while hearing the case, tore into the Kolkata police over the delay in registering the unnatural death of the doctor. 2 days earlier, the court had termed the rape and murder of the doctor as horrific and ordered a 10-member national task force to formulate a protocol for ensuring the safety and security of doctors and other healthcare professionals. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court, in fact, dismissed the plea of ex-RG Kar College principal Shondeep Ghosh, challenging the High Court's order. This is the simultaneous probe that's being done by the CBI and now the ED against the financial irregularities that have been highlighted in RG Kar. Now, while the hearing in the Supreme Court is to begin shortly, at the stroke of midnight, people from all walks of life in Kolkata, doctors, potters from Kumartuli, artists and even rickshaw pullers had all come out on the streets, united in protest ahead of the Supreme Court hearing on the brutal rape and murder at RG Kar Medical College. Protesters referred to the victims as Tilottama or Abhaya in their fight for justice. Now, the city lit up as thousands, many dressed in black, joined the Reclaim the Night march. The victims' family and junior doctors also rallied at Esplanade. These particular visuals are of people, members of the Indian diaspora, who organized protests on Sunday in 130 cities across 25 countries, demanding justice for the trainee doctor. These are visuals we bring to you from in front of the Canadian Parliament, from Chicago, from Boston, from Pennsylvania, San Diego. Different places witnessed these protests as they continued. In a massive show of solidarity, thousands formed a 14-kilometer human chain from Sham Bazaar to Shodhpur, with protests spreading beyond Kolkata to other cities like Shiliguri, Durgapur and Kharagpur, closer home. Now, it's been a month since the horrific incident on August 9th. One accused, Sanjay Roy, has in fact been arrested. An ex-principal of RG Kar, Shondeep Ghosh, has been suspended and arrested, though in a separate corruption case. The Kolkata police and the West Bengal government faces public outrage over their handling of the case even today. Meanwhile, the state passed the Aparajita bill, over which politics has snowballed over the past few weeks.
मैंने डॉक्टर्स के डिमांड का बस सपोर्ट किया है। एक तरफ मैंने ममता जी के बारे में कहा कि ममता जी ने जो बिल लेकर आई हैं वो वाकई ऐतिहासिक है, बहुत ज़बरदस्त है और इसमें इस मामले में किसी मुख्यमंत्री को, चीफ मिनिस्टर को दोषी ठहराना ये बिल्कुल वाजिब नहीं होगा, क्योंकि एक मुख्यमंत्री हो या प्रधानमंत्री हो, सारे एक एक गली एक एक शहर हर तरफ नहीं देख रहे, उनकी निगरानी होती है। वो डिपार्टमेंटलाइज्ड होता है, कंपार्टमेंटलाइज होता है। जो इशू है वो बहुत जघन्य है, नीचता का परिणाम है, बहुत घिनौना हुआ है, उस पर तो कोई साथ नहीं देगा। लेकिन उसके साथ जिस तरह उसको पॉलिटिसाइज किया जा रहा है, बढ़ाया जा रहा है, मैं ममता जी के साथ हूँ। ममता जी का एक मजबूत सिपाही या सिपाह सालार होने के नाते मैंने बहुत अच्छे तरह से उसको पेश किया है और आगे भी उसकी बात करूँगा।
जवाहर सरकार एक ब्यूरोक्रेट है, रिटायर्ड, और वो बाहर से तृणमूल कांग्रेस को देख रहे थे, उनको करप्शन नहीं पता चलता था उस समय। अब अंदर से जब लोकसभा के राज्यसभा के सांसद बने हैं, उसके बाद से अंदर की चीज़ें पता चली उनको, तो स्वाभाविक है उनको पता चला कि सरकार की हर चीज़ पर करप्शन है, हर डिपार्टमेंट में करप्शन है। तो स्वाभाविक से उनको लगा कि इतना पढ़ लिखने के बाद अगर इतने करप्ट लोगों के साथ ही रहना है तो इससे इतना पढ़ लिखने का कोई मायने नहीं रहता। सब सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ देख रहे हैं आगे आने वाले समय में, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ आस लगा के बैठे हुए हैं, और लोग डर भी रहे हैं कि हमने देखा है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कपिल सिब्बल जैसे बड़े बड़े वकील जजमेंट को डिनाइड या नहीं तो डिलेट कर देते हैं, तो ऐसा ना हो।
देखिए, हम लोग तो उम्मीद में है ऐसा ही कुछ जजमेंट आने वाला है। जो कल्प्रिट इसका पीछे है उसका ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी मेंटेन करके इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी को रिपोर्ट देंगे। उस रिपोर्ट की वजह से कड़ी सजा होगा और कैपिटल पनिशमेंट होगा। और इससे पहले हम जो सोच रहे हैं ना, कुछ आदमी इसका कोई डॉक्टर और जो वीडियो में दिखाई दे रहा है उनके खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई होगा। जो लोग वीडियो में एविडेंस टेम्परिंग करने का कोई सस्पेक्ट कर रहा है, इधर का जो डॉक्टर है, वो लोग सोच रहे हैं इनके खिलाफ भी कोई एक्शन होने वाला था शायद। और एक बात है, देखिए, जो वैंडलिज्म हुआ था जिसकी वजह से सीआईएसएफ सिक्योरिटी दिया गया था, लेकिन उसके पीछे कौन है, क्या कर रहा था, उसका भी पनिशमेंट होना चाहिए।
Hopefully an exemplary judgment comes through that people who are behind this murder, this heinous crime, are arrested and they are taught a lesson for life, and hopefully that would create an example or at least a benchmark for people to follow suit. I can only be hopeful. As I said, I don't see it just as a Tollywood industry protesting it. We are citizens of the same city. We've come together to talk about something which has troubled us, which has disturbed us, and I think that's most important.
Do you really think justice has been delayed?
Yes, it has been delayed. Of course it's been delayed.
That is our question as well, how long it will be. What exactly they are looking for, what exactly they want. All the citizens, all the voters, innumerable number of people are on road, they are protesting, and the government is supposed to serve for the citizens, for the voters. Now, how long it will go? Our justified demand, that is ignored by our government, our law system, and they are playing just cat and mouse game. Someone is saying, sorry, this is under CBI. When the hearing is going on, the CBI lawyer, the advocate, he is absconding, he is not appearing on the court. What is going on? That is our question. And as long as we are not getting the due justice, the right justice, we are being satisfied out of that, the protest will be on, and it will be on more and more day by day. Not me. Our total system, all the sensible people, bongs and including non-bongs, who are aware of this situation. Everyone knows this. All of them are playing cat and mouse game, and that is our question. What is there and who is there behind this heinous crime? That the total system is diving to protect them or him or she. I don't know what is that.
I think this is very natural. This is very natural. कोई केस कोर्ट में जाता है तो उसमें टाइम लगता ही है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते। जितना दिन लग रहा है लगने दो, लेकिन हम लोगों को विचार मिलना ही चाहिए। हम लोग we are fighting for justice and we want justice and we will get justice.